On all of this, let's also bring in criminal defense attorney Sara Azari. Sara, this has just been remarkable to watch. And what they were saying there, as she was talking about this op-ed that is at the center of this, she says that every word that she wrote is true.
Yeah, and this came right before her cross-examination. And this sort of pre-testimony alert is both odd and unnecessary. It calls her credibility into question more. It's almost like a red flag. And frankly, the truth needs no defense. Let the jury decide who to believe. That's really, this is a he said, she said case, and it's ultimately up to this jury.
So talk to me about that, because what's interesting here is that what people hear being discussed here are charges of domestic abuse, allegations of domestic abuse, but it's not a domestic abuse case. It's a defamation case that is a he said, she said issue. So what is it that you think the jury is seeing in all of this?
I think up until now, when her cross-examination started yesterday, the jury was seeing maybe some instances of abuse by both of these individuals against each other. Depp, although being probably the more credible witness in terms of his disposition, in terms of his story. But this trial, John, is so bad for the credibility of true domestic violence victims who are already struggling with being believed, And ultimately here, we have the issue of the defecation in the bed, which is the entertaining part of this whole case. And then you have all these issues of abuse and no photographs to document, no medical records to document. These are not just slight marks. These are things that are non-elective in terms of having to go to the doctor. You're bleeding, you're broken, your ribs are broken, you can't breathe. You got to have medical records. So I am not at all imposing criteria on victims of domestic violence to document or we don't believe them. But she is a photographer. She has photographed a lot of chaos, a lot of broken objects, but not these horrific injuries. That's why she's not credible.
How is she pushing back on that during this cross-examination, which I know is still continuing? What's she saying to his attorney's arguments?
To your point, she's up there and she says, well, I don't know. I have certain photos and I used ice. We have makeup and, I was injured. But there was one instance that fans of Johnny Depp immediately latched onto where she says that she had broken her nose by Depp during an altercation. And then she went on a late night television show appearance and they were zooming in on her facial gestures and saying, this doesn't appear to look like somebody who had broken their nose. Now, I've never broken my nose, so I wouldn't know what that feels like or what that necessarily looks like, if maybe small fracture. But she says everything that she has claimed is true. She has photographs that show maybe redness, some marks, but to your point, to the point of the court of public opinion, which is heavily on Depp's side, they're saying, where are the receipts? Where is the evidence that really backs this up? They also talked to her about the broken bottle that he allegedly put inside of her. Right. And they said, why did you not seek medical attention if you were bleeding? You obviously had to have been incredibly injured. And she said that she was embarrassed and she didn't want that to get out there for Depp's sake.
I mean, it's just such a fascinating trial. I think people are watching this so closely to see what happens and what the jury ultimately decides. Thank you both for joining us this morning to break it all down.
Thank you.